If you need a safe smoke on a site, by the time you get here as a T, the closest person that can peek you would be the person peeking here, but they would have to come all the way out to water, and by the time you set this up, it should be good to go.
Throwing smoke.
So it's from here, just a little off of that. Make sure you're lined up with the window, and left click throw. Standing, left click, throw. For an easy heaven smoke, you're going to want to cross here. Careful, you might be seen. If you walk into the water, they don't hear you entering the water, but they will hear you splash. When you aim here, this upper quarter of this box right here, this vertical line right here that I'm drawing, if you jump, left click throw, it'll smoke heaven every time. Let's say A has become not an option and you want to go, your whole team is here, you want to go from here to dark, but you're worried about the guy mid. I mean, of course your teammates can peek him, or you can smoke it. Aiming at this cable, this rope right here, right in the middle of this triangle. Left click throw. And you have smoked off mid. Your team is setting up for a B take. Somebody is defending the push against the push. You set yourself up, you wedge yourself in here. There's a stone right here. This stone right here. The upper middle section. Close to the line, close to the separation of the stone. The inside, vertically, is more generous than horizontal, but you do have a window. You're going to walk up, you're going to aim, and you're going to throw. Now they may have pushed. In that case, your teammate should have got him. Now that is smoked. Let's say your team is set up for a mid push. You've got a good mid or B spawn. That is over here. You're going to line yourself up here in the middle of this railing. You're going to aim at this piece of wood here. You are going to standing, jump throw. You're going to smoke mid. Now this man is peekable here, but he only has a small space where he can do it. When you want to impress your friends on Anubis, you tell them you know a smoke for A. Jump up on these chairs. Wedge yourself in between the chairs and the umbrella. Valve, I don't think we're supposed to see that. Line up to the bottom of this right here, where it connects to this panel right here. Hold left click. Run forward, jump throw. If you're anticipating a B rush, you're going to want to slow them down. The easiest way to do that is to flash them. So if you're running down long here, you're going to aim at the upper part of this wooden platform that you cannot get up on in the game. If you running jump throw, it pops above the enemy team. It will slow them down. They will be behind this flash running towards here. A Molotov that I like to use, let's say you're holding water and your teammates call out mid. You think they're going to push up mid. If you bounce the Molotov off of this right here, it will land in mid. So they'll have to run through the fire. It gives you enough time to run away